Elizabeth Singleton Moss as an American actress who came to the limelight after she got a screen role as a Zoe Bartlett in the NBC political drama The West Wing. She also had the role of Peggy Olson in the hit AMC series Mad Men. She is also multiple award-winning actress and has booked a lot of awards for her role in the various movies she has starred in. She has won prestigious awards like 2 Primetime Emmy Awards and also 2 Golden Globe Awards. Early life and biography. Elizabeth Singleton Moss was born to Ron and Linda Moss in Los Angeles, California. She was also raised in Los Angeles, California, together with her younger brother. Both her parents are musicians and her mother is a professional jazz and blues harmonica player. Her father is of English origin and her mother is of Swedish descent. While growing up, Moss wanted to become a professional dancer. She traveled to New York City, where she joined the School of American Ballet to study ballet. She studied with the Kennedy Center and Suzanne Farrell in Washington, D.C. She continued with her studies and also started to obtain acting roles while learning ballet. She was a homeschooled henceforth so that she could balance both her career and education. Personal life. Moss is both a British and an American citizen. Moss got married to Fred Armisen on 2 October 2009 in Long Island City, New York. After dating from October 2008 and getting engaged in January 2009. The couple separated in June 2010 after almost a year in marriage and eventually divorced on 13 May 2011. Moss is a strong believer in a Scientology and also identifies as a feminist. Age, height and weight. Being born on 24 July 1982, Elizabeth Moss is 39 years old as of today's date 23rd November 2021. Her height is 1.6 meter tall and her weight is 52 kg. Career. Moss made her first screen appearance in 1990 in an NBC miniseries Lucky Chances. Her debut into the acting industry opened doors for more opportunities in the late 1990s. She got roles in films like Picker Fences, Ferocity Fences, imaginary crimes, escape to with mountain, love can build a bridge, separate lives, last super. It is spring training and a voice role in an animated series, Freakazoid. Award and achievement. Elizabeth Moss has won and been nominated for various awards. Here is a highlight of some of the awards that Elizabeth Moss has won. She won the Critics' Choice Television Award in 2013 as the Best Actress in a Movie for her role in the film On Top of the Lake, and also in 2018 as a Best Actress in a Drama Series for her role in the series The Handmaid's Tale. Elizabeth Moss is a two-time Golden Globe Award as a Best Actress for her work on the film Top of the Lake and The Handmaid's Tale. She won the Monte Carlo Television Award for Outstanding Actress in a Mini-Series for her role in the movie Top of the Lake. Elizabeth Moss is also a two Primetime Emmy Awards winner. Net worth and salary of Elizabeth Moss in 2021. As of November 2021, Elizabeth Moss's net worth is estimated at approximately $20 million. Most of her wealth is from her long acting career. She has been featured in hit films, which are estimated to have earned her a great amount of money. She is said to have earned a whopping $75,000 per episode salary from Mad Men and $175,000 per episode salary from The Handmaid's Tale on season 1. As a per now, she earns $1 million per episode. Between September 2018 and September 2019, she is said to have earned a total amount of $24 million because she was both the executive producer and starring in the film The Handmaid's Tale. Elizabeth Moss is among the greatest actresses of all time, and she has been featured in a lot of films over the years in which she has excelled greatly. She has been nominated and won prestigious awards through her acting career for her roles in various films. Elizabeth Moss's net worth will independently increase in the future with her talents in acting. I'm positive she is definitely as an actress to watch so as to find out what is next from her.